Kelvin, what's wrong with this furnace? With this, air handler? Do I need to turn it on again?
Yeah.
Maybe I should.
The wheel's hitting the metal piece.
The wheel's hitting the metal piece?
Yeah, the blower wheel is hitting the it's hitting the it's hitting the cage itself.
That's what you think the problem is?
So it sounds like, yes.
Yeah. I bet you're wrong. We're working on an American standard 3.5 ton air handler that is making an excessive amount of vibration when the blower's on. We're missing insulation on this front panel, and I'm willing to wager that there may be something stuck in there. We'll have to pull the blower compartment, pull the blower out and see if there's anything in there. Stand by. Videotape this. Took him half hour to get the puller from the truck.
Yeah, which
So he's trying to set it up right now. I'm gonna tighten up. Not being very cooperative today because I'm trying to do it. Fuck, one-handed.
Hey, so let me hold it then.
Kelvin wants to hold it. Hold the wheel so it doesn't move. Come on. Whatever. Let's see what happens. All right. That's how I roll. Milwaukee. Off the motor? Is it off yet?
No.
Now it is. Yep. And that's how we do it. Kelvin's putting on gloves like he's actually doing some work. So here's the motor on the motor bracket. And it looks kind of warped to me. It looks kind of warped, like a bent shaft. So we're going to replace the blower motor. I don't think it's the blower wheel, but if you spin that, it looks a little vercocked. So we're going to change the blower motor and have a nice day. I'm wondering all day why I smell like shit, right? And I smelt it again. I was like, damn, Kelvin, you let loose again? And he was like, nah. I'm like, well, then maybe it's you. It's freaking El Salvadorian, man. Look at him. It's you, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
It is you. I got to teach you about personal hygiene, Kelvin.
Nah. It's just...
Horsepower. 1075. This is a 10 cap. So we're going to replace this. 240 volt. I'm gonna go get one from the truck. Got the new motor bracket installed. About to slide this into the squirrel cage. Just gotta spray it down with some WD-40 first. Lube it up a little bit. All right, now we'll take this and slide it in. When you're putting the set screw back in, you want to make sure that you're putting it onto the flat part of the shaft, like that. Right? And then tighten up that set screw.